Today in front of me Samsung Galaxy M53 and I'll show you how to unblock number on this device. So first we should go into the phone application, and after that tap here on the right upper corner here on this more icon. After that click here to the settings, or if you are not here in the contacts but in here in the keypad, you should click here, open the settings, and the first section that will be a section with the block numbers. Now just we can see here there's two block numbers, and just to unblock one from these numbers you should click here on this minus icon. Now we can receive calls and messages from this contact, and by the same way we can also remove the second number here from this blacklist. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.